Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about what is ChatGPT and how do you use it. Okay, so let's start. Alright, so first up, ChatGPT is developed by a company called OpenAI. So ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model that is trained to understand and generate human-like language. It is designed to help people communicate with computers easily. So the ChatGPT in So the GPT in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is the technology behind the model. Generative means that the model can create new text based on what it has learned from existing text. Pre-trained means that the model has already been taught a lot of information before it's used for a specific task, which makes it better at that task. Transformer refers to a specific architecture used in deep learning, which is a type of AI. So to train ChatGPT, it was fed with massive amounts of text from the internet, books, and other sources. This allows the model to understand language patterns and relationships between words and phrases, so it can generate coherent and natural sounding responses to queries. The model uses deep learning algorithms to process this information, and it's constantly learning and improving as it receives more data. People can use ChatGPT to chat with it via the various platforms like chatbots, virtual assistants, and other interactive applications that require natural language processing. ChatGPT can help users with tasks like answering questions, providing recommendations, and even generating creative writing. So, in general, ChatGPT is an AI language model that can understand and generate human like language. It's been pre trained on a lot of data and uses deep learning algorithms to process and understand natural language. So imagine you're planning a trip to a new city and you want to know the best place to eat. You could ask ChatGPT like, "Hey, where should I eat in New York City?" And ChatGPT will then use its natural language processing capabilities to understand your question and then generate a response based on the data it has learned from other sources. Or let's just say you're feeling bored and you want to chat with someone. You could talk to ChatGPT like you would a friend. For example, you might ask, "What's your favorite book?" And ChatGPT could respond in a recommendation based on what it has learned from other people's recommendations. All right, so you could also use ChatGPT to help you come up with creative writing ideas. So, for example, you might say, "Can you give me a writing prompt?" And ChatGPT could generate a prompt for you, such as write about a time traveling detective who solves a crime in 1800s. So overall, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from answering questions and giving recommendations to providing creative inspiration. Its natural language processing capabilities make it feel like you're talking to a real person, even though it's just a computer program. Okay, so how do you use ChatGPT? All right, so first you can go to openai.com, and from here you can scroll down and tap on Try ChatGPT. Okay, so here I already have an account, so I am logged in. But if you are a first timer, you need to create an account and use that account to access this interface. Okay, so here, this is your text prompt in here. So you can type your queries or your questions in here, and ChatGPT is going to give you its responses. Let's say, for example, you want some recommendation. All right, so for example, you can say, uh, where to eat in New York. All right, so here it is going to give you a list of restaurants that you can try out in the area. Okay, or maybe you can also try and say, what is the best diet for 31-year-old male, for example. So here it is going to give you its answer. Now here, remember that we were asking for a 31-year-old male. So say, for example, you say, how about 12? So it is going to change its answer based on a 12-year-old. All right. So here we just said 12. So this is how it understands your questions. Okay. So you can also give it a more advanced task. For example, you can say, write me a poem about robots, okay, in Shakespeare style. Okay, I misspelled Shakespeare, but still it is giving you the result. All right, now you can also be more advanced. Say, for example, you can say, what is TypeScript? All right, so this is all about programming. Okay, so there it is. It gives you an answer. It can even make codes for you. Okay, so for example, you can say, make a code for. Okay, so for advanced questions, for example, maybe you can say, make a code for a simple game. All right, so after it gives you the code, it also explains what the code is and how do you play that game. All right, so ChatGPT is a very powerful tool that can actually help us achieve what we want to do. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.